Welcome to 3339 Sagebrush Street, located in the gated community of the Lakes for those 55 and better in the small town of Harmony, Florida. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home is the Boca floor plan that showcases a gourmet kitchen overlooking the lanai and has a peaceful water view. Hi, I'm Jeanine Corcoran, resident of Harmony and broker for the Corcoran Connection. Come on in and let's take a look. Once you enter, the foyer is spacious, and to the right are 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. What a nice private space this is for your guests. To the left of the foyer is where the office sits, or can be used as bedroom number 4. There is more than enough room in this oversized great room, and the water views are spectacular. This gourmet kitchen has plenty of cabinets for storage and a large island, a double oven, and cooktop. The oversized lanai makes entertaining easy, or just take in the breathtaking views. The master suite is spacious and overlooks the pond. The master ensuite has dual sinks, a shower, and a nice sized walk-in closet. Thanks so much for visiting our listing, and for other great listings in the Harmony, St. Cloud, Lake Nona, and Central Florida area, please call us at 407-953-9118 or visit us online at thecorcoranconnection.com.